Hello, I'm Richard Bate. I own Richardsons Co Solicitors, a specialist firm of personal injury solicitors, making sure that you obtain the maximum compensation that you're entitled to. I've recorded this video to help you better understand part of the claims process. Now, one of the most common questions that people always want to know and ask is, how much is my claim worth and how do I prove my claim? Without detailed medical evidence, it is impossible to estimate the value of any personal injury claim. A lot of people assume that the amount of compensation you receive as a result of a successful personal injury claim is related to the level of negligence or fault shown by the party responsible for that accident. Now, although that's true of the American system, it is not the case for England and Wales. No matter how poor the behaviour of a defendant is that ultimately ends up with your accident and the personal injuries that you suffer as a result, there is no element of punishment in UK law. Instead, the level of compensation that you received is simply based on the aim to place you back in the position you would have been had that accident and those injuries never have occurred. Now, your claim for compensation for personal injury is based upon medical evidence that's obtained from a medical expert. They are experienced at considering claims such as yours, and following a medical consultation and examination with them, they compile a report. Now, that report is for the benefit of the court, so it's impartial, and your claim for injury compensation is based upon that report. A respected and quality medical expert is key to obtaining the very best evidence for your claim. Now, it may be that your injuries are such that you need to see more than one medical expert, have more than one examination, or you need treatment. That treatment and those examinations can be obtained at the defendant's expense, and that's your opponent. As it isn't possible to fix your body to the point that you've never had an accident, you receive compensation in the form of money for the pain, the suffering and the inconvenience that has been caused to you personally, as highlighted in that medical report that we obtained for you. Now, it's important to ensure, therefore, that the medical expert who we instruct to examine you for your case can compile that report for you and does so having fully understood the individual impact that this accident and those injuries have had on you and your life. The actual level of personal injury compensation you receive is based on a number of factors, and that includes the impact it's had on you and your life individually, the severity of the injuries that you've suffered, and how long the symptoms of those injuries actually last for. Now, unfortunately, the level of compensation that's awarded to people in the UK for their personal injuries alone isn't high. So it's essential and absolutely essential that you have an experienced personal injury specialist solicitor to help you obtain the maximum compensation that you are entitled to. Now, you can also claim for financial losses that follow the accident, and your claim for financial loss is, of course, proven by way of receipts for any purchases or expenditure that you've had to make, witness evidence where receipts as proof aren't available, or documents from your employer for your loss of earnings. The losses that you have, we can always help you out in that regard anyway. If you want to know more and you wish to make the claim to obtain the compensation you deserve, please contact us now. For further information, call us or visit our website www.theinjurysolicitors.net. Thank you very much for watching and listening, and I look forward to speaking with you and helping you very soon.